Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we enable our phone location setting in our Realme phone. In this video I am going to show you guys. So as you don't know guys how to enable and guys how can you use guys your phone location setting in your Realme phone. In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to enable your location. And before starting video fans, first of all guys, go and subscribe my channel. And guys, you are watching my video first time, so guys click the bell icon also. So friends, now let's start the video. So we will on our phone setting and we will scroll it, and guys you can see guys your location setting. The fans tap here. So as you want to enable it, so as you can enable after enable guys, you can see this type of setting. So as you can use from here guys, you can see guys your Google setting, and guys you can see this all three setting. So you can use from here, and guys you can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning option. So tap here, and guys you can use from here enable and disable Wi-Fi scanning, enable and disable guys you can do from here. Bluetooth scanning guys enable and disable guys you can use from here. So like that guys you can enable your location in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable location in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Bye bye friends.